6:45 a.m. Rolling in the Thule fog. Welcome to the track.
They should race this road.
It'd be fun.
There's the track.
Hey.
Morning.
Morning.
How you going?
Doing great.
So I'm gonna be driving this thing a little bit today.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I like the four-door.
Oh, yeah.
Laguna pipes, so that you don't blow the DBs off. Pretty sweet.
RX-8 would be insane to have.
Round 3 of the day, round 2 in the GT3, March 2021 at Laguna Seca. The kid behind the wheel.
Okay.
Goddamn Toyota Supra wouldn't let anybody pass for 3 laps.
Oh, that sucks. What are your impressions?
My impressions were this car is pretty kick-ass, this track is pretty kick-ass.
It's like below empty. You want me to go get gas?
Yeah.
decided I'm going to do an extra day at Laguna
in the GT3. We're going back to the hotel right now, just cruising through the nice scenery. So far, a good day on the first day. I'm excited for tomorrow. Pretty tired, really. This car tired me out. But other than that, I'm just gonna try and keep shaving off time.
Okay, so it's about 8 o'clock. We got the GT3, Tesla right next to us. Look at this thing on Potenzas.
GR6.
This thing's just cool to me. Look at that interior. This thing would be great. This thing's probably awesome to drive. New ND. Got the matching helmet. Just a clean interior. This BRZ looks pretty good with the carbon taillights. Not bad. Oh, and also there's a clean S2000 right here. This thing it's just shiny.
I'm looking for, huh?
Yeah, I'll let you know who to look out for.
Yeah, that's right. Don't worry about it.
We're currently in Salinas, coming back from Laguna. It was a good track time. We had to leave early. To summarize, the shocks were blown and it started rubbing on the inside fender liner and it was making a horrible noise. And we decided we would just give it a rest. And the shocks, as they blow out more and they lose more fluid, you get closer to bottoming out. It was a good time with the track. I enjoyed it, and hopefully we can do more. Oh, also we realized we were running the tires on way too high pressures, and we were running them like 4 or 5 psi too high, and they were like delaminating, so that's a problem. But other than that, everything was good.
Correct, yeah. Operating at the 4%, full potential, full strength, boost to my mental, improvise instrumental increments, then go anyway. The center of the wind blows, close pin, no